Whether you want to move home or get furniture delivered to you, moVE makes it easy, fast, and affordable. Simply set where, select your size, and the driver will be there as soon as you want. Today or next month, it's up to you. And because we're in 2021, follow your stuff everywhere it goes. Then rate your move and pay as you go. moVE. Move anything at the tap of a button. Don't let public transport or a small car keep you from that sweet deal from Gumtree or eBay. Download the app today. moVE. Move anything, anywhere, anytime.